Imagine a world where a computer in your pocket can map the entire planet, translate languages instantly, and predict the weather. But if you ask a $1 million robot to fetch a bottle of water from your kitchen and open the refrigerator, it completely panics. This paradox lies at the heart of home service robots, designed to handle our everyday chores by combining artificial intelligence, advanced sensors, and mechanical engineering to operate inside our living spaces with minimal human intervention. In today's video, we dive inside the technology behind the home service robots. Hi, I'm Shreya and you are watching Tech Machine. So let's get started. We are currently living through the next major evolution after smartphones and smart home devices. We are transitioning away from basic single-use consumer appliances like the classic iRobot Roomba J9 Plus or the puck-shaped Roborock S8 Max V Ultra, and moving past mobile home monitoring cameras like Amazon's Astro or Samsung's Rolling Ballet Assistant. Instead, the industry is racing towards a full-blown multi-purpose bipedal machine like the Tesla's Optimus, the incredibly nimble Figure 2, or the industrial-grade Apollo robot, some of which we have talked about in our previous video, which you guys can watch by clicking the I button above. But to make the leap from a machine that simply vacuums a rug to a humanoid assistant that can autonomously fold your laundry, clean a dining table, or assist an elderly relative, you need an incredibly sophisticated stack of technology built across 6 distinct operational layers. The absolute foundation of any home robot is layer 1, its sensors, which functions exactly like human senses. To navigate a dynamic household, robots rely heavily on camera vision, utilizing standard RGB cameras, depth sensors, and stereo cameras for complex facial recognition, security monitoring, and basic object identification. However, cameras alone struggle with spatial awareness, which is why premium units deploy LiDAR or light detection and ranging, which fires rapid laser pulses to calculate reflection, measure exact distances, and paint a perfect 3D wireframe map of the room so the robot doesn't smash into the furniture. This is paired with ultrasonic sensors that act like bat echolocation to detect low-profile obstacles, and sudden floor drops, infrared sensors to track thermal signatures and navigate in pitch darkness, and highly sensitive touch and force sensors embedded in mechanical fingers to tell a robotic arm exactly how much pressure to apply when gripping a fragile object. Layer 2 is the brain of the machine, driven by artificial intelligence. Without AI, a robot is just a blind automation following fixed tracks, but modern computer vision powered by convolutional neural network and vision transformers allows a robot to instantly identify and label a chair, a dog, a sleeping cat, or a stray toy. Through machine learning, the robot continuously optimizes its route, meaning if it bumps into a newly placed armchair on day 1, it will have permanently updated in the internal map by day 30. Most importantly, the recent boom in generative AI and multimodal large language model means you no longer have to code rigid commands like move forward 5 steps. Instead, you can speak to the robot like a friend and say, "Bring me a cool drinks from the kitchen." And the system will intuitively parse the meaning behind your words. This intelligence feeds directly into 3 layers. Navigation technology, which is completely dominated by an engineering breakthrough known as SLAM or simultaneous localization and mapping. When a device enters an unfamiliar home for the first time, SLAM allows it to map the environment while simultaneously tracking its own precise location within the map, drastically speeding up the future cleaning and task circles. When a device enters an unfamiliar home for the first time, SLAM allows it to map the environment while simultaneously tracking its own precise location within the map, drastically speeding up future cleaning and task cycles. Layer 4, 5, and 6 brings the machine to life physically and digitally. Layer 4 is the monitor system consisting of highly precision electric motors and actuators that serve as robots' muscles, using servo motor for precision joint angles in hands and linear actuators for heavy lifting, pulling, and pushing. Layer 5 is the power system, almost exclusively powered by high-capacity, lightweight lithium-ion battery that offers anywhere from 2 to 12 hours of continuous operation before the machine automatically detects its low battery status and navigates back to the self-emptying charging clock. Layer 5 is the power system almost exclusively powered by high-capacity, lightweight lithium-ion batteries that offer anywhere from 2 to 12 hours of continuous operation before the machine automatically detects its low battery status and navigates back to a self-emptying charging dock. Finally, layer 6 is connectivity, using Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and high-speed 5G to link the machine to cloud computing network for over-the-air software updates, remote troubleshooting and massive AI model improvements. Currently, the consumer market is split into highly specialized buckets. Cleaning robots from brands like EcoVask and Roborock are most successful, commanding over 70% of the total market share. Security robots patrol properties and stream live video feeds, while elderly care robots are experiencing a massive surge in demand in rapidly aging nations like Japan and South Korea, providing critical medication reminder, fall detection and emergency alerts. We also see companion robots like the therapeutic robot Seal Paro being used in hospitals and mental wellness programs to offer emotional interaction. However, the ultimate goal remains the general purpose humanoid. The recent AI revolution, robots could only follow rigid if this then that rule, but we have officially entered the era of embodied physical AI, where a machine can see an object, understand its physical properties, plan a complex motion trajectory, and execute a physical course smoothly in real time. Despite these breakthroughs, three massive engineering bottlenecks prevent a humanoid from folding your laundry tomorrow. The first is object manipulation. While a human can effortlessly pick up a raw egg, a heavy ceramic mug, and a soft towel, adjusting grip pressure for widely different textures and weights, remains one of the hardest mathematical problems in robotics. The second is general intelligence and common sense. When you tell a human to put the milk away, they naturally understand that they need to locate the carton, walk to the refrigerator, open the door, clear a physical spot, place it upright and close the door. A robot lacks the inherent context and must be explicitly taught every single microstep. The third bottleneck is the battery life. As running heavily mechanical joints alongside advanced onboard AI processor drains massive amount of energy, often limiting full-sized humanoids to very brief operational windows. This massive technical complexity triggers an intensive global race, with the United States leading in cutting-edge AI software and humanoid design through pioneers like Tesla and iRobot. China is dominating in manufacturing scale and affordable consumer hardware through companies like Unitree and Uptech. Japan leading in high-precision mechanical hardware via SoftBank Robotics, and South Korea flawlessly integrating the system into the smart home ecosystem through tech giants like Samsung and LG. Ultimately, the biggest barrier keeping these machines out of the average household comes down to the price tag. A basic robot vacuum is a highly affordable appliance ranging from $150 to $500. And even premium vacuums and mop combos max out around $600 to $2,000. Dedicated mobile security robots sit between $1,000 to $5,000, while social companion robots range from $1,500 to $15,000. Specialized elderly care system can easily scale from $3,000 well above $20,000. However, a modern humanoid assistant easily commands an astronomical price tag between $20,000 to over $1 lakh. This steep cost is driven by the sheer amount of hardware required. A humanoid needs 12 to 20 expensive actuators just to walk steadily, and onboard AI computer equivalent to the high-end gaming PC using custom chips like NVIDIA's Jetson architecture and incredibly intricate mechanical hands. Because a human hand features 27 bones and 34 muscles, replicating that degree of freedom with precision Motors and sensitive pressure sensors can cost up to $20,000 per hand alone, bringing total manufacturing cost to a staggering levels. This is exactly why companies like Tesla aims to treat humanoids like electric vehicles using massive automated factories and supply chain scale to aggressively drive retail price down to target consumer price from $20,000 to $30,000 over the next decade. Even then, consumer must account for the long-term cost of ownership with routine maintenance, software subscription, repairs and electricity estimated to run anywhere from $1,000 to $6,000 annually. Looking forward towards the horizon of 2030 to 2040, experts project that home robotics will evolve through three very clear historical stages. Right now, we are firmly rooted in stage 1, relying entirely on highly specialized single task appliances like robot vacuums, automated lawn movers, and a stationary security hub. By the late 2020s and early 2030s, we will transition into stage 2, welcoming multi-purpose AI assistant that can navigate multi-rooms to handle basic organization, toy tidying, and simple smart home management. Finally, between 2032 and 2040, full-scale humanoid household assistants are expected to achieve true commercial viability. These advanced machines will handle complex cooking, delicate laundry sorting, grocery putting away, and reliable childcare supervision. At that point, buying a home robot will mirror the cost and adoption trajectory of buying a small family car or a premium refrigerator, transitioning from a science fiction luxury into an absolute household staple. The future of artificial intelligence is no longer restricted to flat glass screen. It is gaining a physical body, it is learning to walk, and it is coming straight to your living room to help you wash the dishes. So that is it for today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You are watching Tech Machine. Until then, I'm Shreya signing off.